This video is about the Panther Creek Falls Hike near Stevenson, Washington. We did this hike on the same day that we did the Falls Creek Waterfall hike because they are in the same area. We made a separate video for the Falls Creek hike and celebrated our wedding anniversary on that hike. See the link in the description or the card at the end to watch the video.
FYI, if you are going to do both hikes in the same day, there is no cell coverage in the area, and the two hikes are 14.6 miles apart. You will need to have the directions to the trailheads written down or saved on your phone beforehand with offline maps. There are links in the description to both trailheads and both AllTrails maps.
This hike is a very short hike to a multi-tiered waterfall. If you go down to the lower falls, which is off the main trail, it is steep and does require some scrambling down across tree roots and rocks. If it is wet, it will be slippery.
Come on, Ollie. You got this, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Whoa. Yeah, that looks cool. Here, Ollie, come here. Need some water? Look at, want some water?
The 5.8 mile road to the trailhead is narrow and twisty, but it is paved. The parking area is a gravel lot that does not require a parking pass.
You can find the start of the trail from the arrow painted on the road and a sign posted on a tree. If you enjoyed this video, we would love if you would support our channel by liking and subscribing to see more of our adventures.
Good boy. Good boy.
Until the next one, happy trails!